Energy companies are thinking about new business models to better control their grids. They would charge more rates for energy if an agreed quota for a building is not met. This demonstrator shows two rooms in a building. The lighting system in a high priority room uses as much energy as is needed by the user for his comfort. A low priority room uses the leftover energy such that the quota of the building is maintained. The main goal of this demonstrator is to show two different lighting systems based on different architectures interoperating by using SOFIA M3. Here we show the system architecture where on the left side a low priority room based on TUE's OSAS architecture, and on the right side is a room with high priority based on NXP's own lighting system. Interoperability is achieved through OSAS knowledge processors and NXP knowledge processors with the SOFIA service information broker intermediating between them. The NXP knowledge processors tell the TUE knowledge processor how much energy is consumed in the high priority room. The TUE knowledge processor maintains lights in the low priority room such that the quota agreed with the energy company for this particular building is respected. In the high priority room,
reading scenario. Initially the lamp is in automatic function and off. First of all, one person enters the reading room and the lamp is switched on automatically to 100%. He starts reading.
Well, it's too bright for me to read. I don't need so much light.
So he decides to lower the dimming from 100% to 50%. He continues to read.
Oh, it's okay.
meanwhile, in the low priority room, the lights have become brighter and are using more energy. Back to the high priority room.
Now.
After a while, the person leaves the room and the lamp switches off automatically. After his break, he re-entered the room and the lamp will switch on automatically, but to the previous dimming level of 50. Now he continues his reading. In this scenario, one room is divided to two different sub-rooms. First of all, it's the dining room, and later is the reading room. Initially, both lamps are in function automatic and off. First of all, one person enters the room in order to go to the reading area. He passes through the dining room and the lamp turns on automatically, and at the end goes to the reading room and the second lamp turns on as well.
Meanwhile, in the low priority room, lights dim using less energy. Back to the high priority room.
He starts reading, and after a while, the lamp in the dining room switches off automatically. Whilst he's reading, the illuminance levels of the environment changes. The value is increased and the dimming of the lamp is automatically decreased.
Meanwhile, in the low priority room, the lights have become brighter and are using more energy. Thank you for your attention.